video is going to feature some major long to short transformations. So we kick things off with an angled bob. He started off with gorgeous mid-length hair, and she now has a stunning bob. So getting into transformation number 2, looks like she has about waist-length hair. And so far it looks like she's cutting her hair into like a mullet of some sort. So she does have bangs in the front, layers on the side. Wow, this is really pretty. Gorgeous kind of modern mullet haircut vibes going on. Love it. So transformation number 3, looks like he's going to be doing a bit of a lob haircut transformation with this one. Bob ends around shoulder length. So this stylist seems to do like really messy kind of cutting. Like it looks like he's just kind of like chopping at the hair, and he's just like really messy with it. But I guess that's just how he does his craft. Like everybody has their own style. So she actually has beautiful layers with this, soft waves, gorgeous look. And then heading into the next transformation. So she's going from a bob to a pixie cut. So the stylist is once again doing that kind of messy cutting, and she has a gorgeous pixie cut. She does have bangs in the front. This is very rocker chic. She would have looked great with some color as well. So the next transformation looks like it's going to be a lob or a bob haircut. So the stylist gets into the cutting once again, and she has a gorgeous shoulder length bob. Full bang action in the front, nice layers throughout. Alright, so moving right along, we see someone with ombre ends. So the stylist does cut the hair. So he's probably going to do layers with this one. Oh wow, she's getting highlights too. And she looks quite young. I often say that now girls are able to do things with their hair that girls wouldn't be able to do back in the day. And I think that it is amazing that younger girls are able to express themselves through their hair. So she got waves and soft highlights. And then the next transformation, so she's a blonde with dark roots. The stylist does add that color in there. So she might be going platinum, I don't know. Oh, so she's picking the color, so she just wanted to do some major changes. The stylist put several colors in a jar, and then she picks out which one she wanted. I didn't see what that said. So most of the time when the stylist does put the color on the client's head, it's always hard to tell what the actual color is going to be in the end, because it looks one way when it's like wet, and then it'll look completely different when it's dry. So as of right now, it looks like a copper orangey tone. Oh wow, this is a really pretty shade. It's like a gorgeous copper ginger color. So she is getting bangs with this as well. Gorgeous set of layers throughout to match with the brand new hair shade. Definitely giving me like 70s vibes. So the hair is actually a little bit darker at the root than it is at the ends. So she's got kind of like ombre color going. So the next transformation looks like she's getting a bob. Beautiful chin length, neck length style bob with the center part. Oh, I love how it looks with the waves. So the waves are perfect for adding in texture. He hits it with the hairspray to set the curls. So moving right along, so she has pretty long hair. Hair is about, I'd say maybe about waist length, just about. So it looks like she's gonna cut it to around shoulder length. And she's probably also going to be getting some color as well. I kind of like how the ombre looks with the darker roots though, to be honest. So she actually didn't decide to color it, which I like. So we added some slight waves. Beautiful modern bob. So moving on to the next transformation. So it looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. So I guess she's going to be donating her hair because she does have those ponytails. So she's got a classic neck length bob going on. And she kept her natural hair color. Beautiful classic bob. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.